Greetings to everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe to it. Today we would be unboxing Belkin Type C to Type C charger. In the previous video, we saw Type A to Type C charger. So let us look at the box quickly. It supports Apple, Samsung, Google, Motorola, Sony and LG. It is 1 meter in length. It is the durability is tested 10,000 plus bends, and it says fast charge enabled. Here the list of devices are given. The price mentioned is 999, but I got it only for 499 rupees. So let us unbox it. Here is the Type C to Type C cable. It is of very good quality and is very durable and will last for a long period of time, unlike the local cables. If you like this short unboxing video of Belkin Type C to Type C cable, give it a thumbs up and share it among with your friends who might be interested. And I will be providing with the buying link in the description if you or anyone else is interested to buy this particular product. Until next time, I bring awesome cool videos. This is Sayantan signing out. Peace.